First, open up your Gmail account. On the top right, click the gear icon, then Settings. Click on Forwarding and POP, IMAP. Select Enable IMAP, and click Save Changes. Go to the address, myaccount.google.com. Click on Security, scroll down and click Turn on Access. Turn it on. Open up Outlook 2019. Go to File, Account Settings. Click on New. Enter your Gmail address. Under Advanced Options, set it to manually and click Connect. Click on IMAP, and enter your Gmail password. Click Connect. Click Done. Wait for a test mail to confirm the setup. Here it is. All done. Please subscribe.